Hey, you want to create something like this? Well, many people ask me on, for example, Twitter, like, hey Daniel, how did you make your animation look so smooth? It's pretty simple, and I'm gonna show you step by step how to make your camera movements look more smooth. So, let's start. So if you are creating a new project, a new composition, I would take a look at frame rate. This doesn't really matter if you are creating animation or a video for social media like Instagram, because it only support like 30 FPS video. I prefer setting my composition into 60 or even higher FPS because it just look more smooth and I like it. So after creating a new composition, you want to add some, objects, text, characters, some things that we can animate. So I've already done it, as you can see, so let's take a look at next step. So now, because we want to, create camera movements, we need to create camera layers. So just right click, new camera. Actually, I don't change anything, like 99%, so you just can keep it as this. By default, just press OK. And now we want to create new objects because it gives us a bigger control over camera movement. So just right click, new null object, and actually it's an empty layer. Now we need to link it with the camera layer. Just click on camera layer and click on this, I don't know, like, what is it called? Parent pickup whip, parent pick whip, sorry, and drag it to your new object layer. And just that's it. And now you don't want to animate your camera, you will set keyframes to your new object that is linked to camera layers. And this is very important because I create new objects for every camera movement. As you can see, I've got like 1, 2, 3, 4 new objects, and you also need to link them together the same way we linked the camera layer with the first new object. So you just want to click on the first null object and then click on this and drag it to null object number 2, and that's it. And you want to do this with every single null object you create. And now the magic comes. So after you created multiple null objects, added some keyframes, added some movement to your animation, we want to select the first keyframe from null object 2, because the first null object stays at the same position, and we want to, for example, let's say you have it here, we want to drag it kind of like backwards. And now what does that do? Like, these two keyframes are like overlapping, so it removes all pauses, all lags, and it's gonna be way more smooth. And you want to do this with every null object. So when you click on null object 3, the third one, you also want to bring the first keyframe from the third null objects to the left. So these two are overlapping as well. After doing so, you want to also easy ease those keyframes. If you don't know this by chance, your keyframes look like this, and we can improve it by easy easing these keyframes. So you just want to select all of them, right click, keyframe assistant, easy ease, or press F9 on your keyboard. And this is like perfect because what does it do? It will change the graph, and I'm not going to like explain how this graph works because it's kind of like a bit difficult to understand, but I'll maybe create a tutorial for this. But basically just want to know that the movement will be way more smooth. And after easy easing these keyframes, you can still like change your graph curve, like from this you can change it to look something like this. And what does that do? The movement will be like slow, fast and slow, but this will significantly change the speed. So everything is set up right now, the animation look great, everything is like smooth, and here's still like this last thing that we can do, and that's motion blur. As you can see, I've unchecked all of these boxes, and we want to apply motion blur. Actually, I will apply it on every single layer, and this will add a blur on the edges, so it will look more realistic. And actually that's it, pretty simple, right? Now you have pretty smooth animation. Also, I created step-by-step tutorial on my Twitter. with screenshots, so you can go and check it out as well. And yeah, don't forget to hit that follow button. I would be really grateful for that. So bye.